Hey guys, it's Dan with Cerberus, and I've been just going through all the forums online, just taking a look at the market cap today. I'm on Coinmarket, just looking at everything, and I noticed there was a massive panic there with Ripple because it's come down an awful lot today, and there was a lot of people worried about what's going on. Is there something that they're missing? And I was a bit worried myself, but I'm in Ripple for the long haul. I'm not going anywhere with Ripple. I don't care. I think right now I think it's still a really good cryptocurrency to invest in. But if you look at all over, we're in a kind of a sea of red today. Everything is down today. Even Bitcoin is down, and that was on a bit of a run there. It went up to $16,000 there yesterday. It's back down again, and I'm just really looking at this today now, and we noticed that Ethereum is down as well. Ethereum was on a run. All of these coins are, even Cardano was one of my bankers, and Cardano is now back down below $1. Which is kind of weird. But the main thing I wanted to talk about was Ripple, because there is a reason for Ripple's kind of panic selling. I think sometimes the coins, what can happen is if something happens with a certain one, a lot of them might kind of sell off then at the same time. A lot of people might sell off and maybe invested in other altcoins. I don't really see any kind of gains in any of them here at the moment. As I go down, there's very little gains, and maybe even below that, there's maybe one or two. There's this one here, Nebula. I haven't heard anything about that before yet, but it's up 59%. So maybe with the kind of, and there's another one there, Hood is up 100%. A second now. So what you could see with these kind of tokens, when there is a kind of a dip in the market, or if some people sell off, like Ripple has kind of tapered off completely. We knew after Christmas that this would happen. I thought it kind of already happened already, but what I noticed this morning, because there came, if we look at the whole day, second now, like if you look at January 8th up to 3 o'clock, it was 325, which was fine. It was grand. It still tapered off, but then a bull flag happened and it just kind of fucking dipped all the way down to 265. So a ton of money seems like it was lost on that. But what we do find out from Reddit, I kind of just did some research to see what's going on, and this guy said that Coinmarket's cap decision to exclude the Korean prices from XRP price has made the price appear to drop, triggering like some panic selling. So look closely at the data and don't be misled. And a lot of other people have kind of come on this then as well, that the Japanese market hadn't, or the Korean market hadn't included the price for Ripple, and a lot of people kind of got freaked and kind of sold off a lot of their Ripple. I think that's a really bad idea. I think Ripple is still mainstream enough to kind of get back up again, even though it's been kind of replaced as the second one again by Ethereum, as the second cryptocurrency, but it will definitely readjust itself. Be careful what you do before you kind of just sell everything off. I understand that it seems a bit weird that all the kind of Coinmarket, I don't really believe that these sites, Coinmarket or any of these sites, are kind of doing anything to manipulate the price of the cryptocurrency. But I do believe that they could have warned us. Maybe they didn't know themselves that this was going to happen. It suggested that maybe the trading platform wasn't sending the right signals to Coinmarket. Most of these are traded. Most of the information that comes to Coinmarket and the other kind of cryptocurrency market capitalizations sites, they all get this via API. So they all share data from each other using API technology, and maybe the API wasn't reading the right reading to these kind of sites, so that's why it kind of sent the wrong signals. Maybe they didn't realize it was happening, and that's what I think happened. And it seems like a good explanation for what happened anyway. But as we know, when this does happen with cryptocurrencies, it's always a great time to come back in on a cryptocurrency, especially one that's like Ripple, XRP, with what Ripple is trying to do. Like, this was at 3 o'clock today, this was back down to $2.07, and I held out. I'm happy out, and I'm definitely going to get back in now as soon as I get just put back some money in again now and get back in at this rate, because this is because it was getting a bit too expensive. I saw it growing up, and it was going up to the $4 and $5 mark, and maybe it was just becoming out of my reach. But now it's back down, and maybe if it came back to that $2 mark, I'd be comfortable investing a lot more in it. I would continue to kind of dip into Ripple from time to time because it's one of my long-term kind of goals with the cryptocurrency. I really believe in the technology. I've been reading a lot about Ripple, and I won't kind of give up on it just yet. Maybe in the future, when I see that it's reached a certain price that I feel comfortable to take a lot of my winnings on it, I might just take something off and invest it in other altcoins that I do believe in their technology too. But for the long run, I'm in Ripple for the most of the time. So you guys got to check out this blog post on Ripple. Always come to Reddit. You can always find a good discussion and a community between people on Reddit about any cryptocurrencies and what's